Bouncy Kylie Kangaroo. Bouncy Kylie Kangaroo. It is sunny day. Some of Daddy's big old friends have arrived for a visit. Mr. and Mrs. Kangaroo have flown over from another country. "Hello," says Daddy Pig. "What a wonderful camper van. It was better than staying in a hotel for a whole month." Mr. Kangaroo chuckled, "And it saved us some money." Mr. Kangaroo introduces his family. "This is Kylie Kangaroo," he says. "You have really a nice house," says Kylie. "Thank you," replies Peppa Pig. "This is my little brother George. I have a younger brother too," says Kylie. Peppa is puzzled. Where is Kylie's brother? Baby Joey Kangaroo stick out his head from a pocket on the front of his mother's dress. "That was a surprise!" exclaimed Peppa. Peppa is excited to play with her new friends. She says, "You can choose a game." "I am really good at jumping," said Kylie. "I'll show you." Kylie jumped high above their heads. She looks like she's flying. Woo! Kylie is the middle of one of her massive jump when Rebecca Rabbit arrives. Rebecca bounced twice 3 times, but she is still lower than Kylie. Peppa and George can only do several low jumps. Pedro Pony wobbles slowly by on his heavy space hopper. Kylie looks as light as feather. "Whoosh! My space hopper throw me around at funny angles," grumbles Pedro. "Your bouncing is magic." While the children play, Mr. Kangaroo gets lunch ready. He props the corn with a long metal fork as it is cooked over smoldering coals. "Nearly done," says Mr. Kangaroo. "This lunch will be a triumph." But when the food is ready to serve, the weather changes. Mr. Kangaroo puts up a gigantic umbrella. "This will keep us nice and dry. Now who wants some corn?" he asks. "Me please," they all cry. Thanks for watching, guys. Finally, the sky clears and the sun comes out. The puddle have grown since it's rained. Peppa whoops. "Let me show you how we jump." "I want to try," decide Kylie. She trade in the mud and giggles. They all love jumping in muddy puddle. Thanks for watching, guys. Come back for more.